Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are replacing an air conditioning system package unit. It's a 7.5 ton package unit at a commercial restaurant. So here is the old one. That is the old package unit right here. That's where the air comes in. That's the motor. That orange thing is the compressor. And or this is what's called the blower motor in here. This one up here, this one here is called the condenser fan motor. That's the blade. And then these are electrical components. That right here is your contactor. That's the fan relay, circuit board. That black one is the liquid line dryer. And this one here is the compressor. And that coil you see here, that's the condenser coil. And then that's the evaporator coil. You can see it's all rusted. The compressor died on this one. But you see in here, this is, all that is rust. All that is rust, and it eats up, all these commercial restaurants, it eats it up really, really bad quickly. So let's go take a look at the new one. This is the new one. We got sheet metal duct that goes in for the supply and the return. So this is the new one here. We're finishing to install it. The new one. There's the compressor, there's the dryer, there's the blower motor, that's the motor, that's the evaporator coil. There's the motor up here, so it's a little different than the other one's high efficiency. So we'll get these up and running. We'll get these guys up and running, and another happy customer. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532.